DevOps salaries are touching 30 LPA. But most people still don't know how to enter the market. The market is paying and cloud companies are hiring. The only question is, are you ready? Do you want to switch AWS or Azure DevOps and target 30 LPA? Then this is your opportunity to transform your career. Our new AWS and Azure DevOps batch is now open for enrollment. The course duration is 2.5 months and it's completely practical and job focused. Also, we are introducing AI-assisted DevOps module from this batch. Before batch begins, we are conducting a live free demo session on March 14th, Saturday at 11 a.m. If you are serious about your DevOps career, attend this demo session and understand DevOps roadmap clearly. In this batch, you will learn all the DevOps tools from basic to advanced level, and you will learn AWS and Azure cloud implementation. Also, you will learn AI-assisted DevOps. That means you will learn how to use AI tools in your day-to-day DevOps activities. And I will give placement assistance, resume building guidance. I will be conducting mock interviews and I will give interview support. That means I will be guiding you how to post your resumes in job portals like Naukri, LinkedIn and others. And also I will guide you how to bargain salaries up to 30 LPA. Our students aim for high paying DevOps roles even up to 30 LPA. Seats are limited for this free demo session. You can register for this demo by joining the WhatsApp group. To join WhatsApp group, you can use the link below in description, or you can scan the QR code on the screen, or you can call to the numbers which are displaying on the screen. Only WhatsApp group members will receive the access details for this free demo session. Join the WhatsApp group and register for this free demo session on March 14th, Saturday at 11 a.m. Your DevOps career update starts here.